Areas of shapes. Now, it would be comforting to know that in the test, all the equations or all the formulas will be given to you. You just have to use the right one. Alright, so I have divided the board into two shapes. Essentially, we have triangles and trapeziums. And right below, over here, we have prisms. Alright, and the prisms, we have a rectangular, we have a triangular prism. Alright, just bear in mind, you can see over here that the cross-sectional area of this prism is the same as this triangular shape. Alright, I'll show you how it works now. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is to find the area of this shape over here for a triangle that is half base times height or base times height divided by 2. So really straightforward. Area equals to 6 times 6, that's base times height, divide by 2, so you have 36 divided by 2, that gives you 18. Alright, now the units, alright, we have, because it is in centimeters, the area is in 18 centimeter squared. Alright, let's try this one out now. We're going to find the volume. Now, the calculation of the volume is straightforward. We just take the cross-sectional area multiplied by the length of the prism. Alright, so over here we have this same triangular shape, which is the same cross-section as this triangle. And this cross-section is repeated over a length of 3 centimeters. So this is the length. So all you're going to do is just simply multiply the cross-sectional area, which in this case is 18 centimeters square, with the length of the prism. So volume equals to 18 times 3. Now that gives you 54. 54. Now the units of volume is in centimeter cube because everything here is measured in centimeters, so it's 54 cubic centimeters. Alright, over here, I'm going to repeat the same process. We have a trapezium over here. Now the formula for the trapezium is A plus B divided by 2 times the height. Now A and B are the lengths of the parallel sides of the trapezium. So I have identified A to be 4 centimeters and B to be 7 centimeters. So here we go. So we're going to add 4 to 7 first, and then we're going to divide by 2, and after which we're going to multiply by 7. Okay, so 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 divided by 2 gives you 5.5. Alright? And so after getting 5.5, you're going to multiply that with 7. So that's 5.5 times 7. So as we know, 5 times 7 is 35. 0.5 times 7 is 3.5. So we have 35 plus 3.5. That gives us 38.5 centimeter squared, or 38.5 square centimeters. That's the area of your trapezium. Alright, now, so we're going to take whatever we found here and use it in this volume, in the volume of this prism with a cross-section of a trapezium. Okay, so you notice that the cross-section of this prism is exactly the same shape as this trapezium over here. So really simply what you're going to do is we're just going to multiply the cross-sectional area, which we have found here already, with the length of the trapezium. So the length is here, the length is 5 centimeters. So really simply, it would be area equals to 38.5 times 5. Okay, so I don't have my calculator with me, but let's work it out. Just going to draw a box over here. So 38 and 0.5. So we have 5 times 30 is 150, 5 times 8 is 40, and 5 times 0.5 is 2.5. So when we add this up, you get 192.5. So 192.5. Now bear in mind over here, because we're looking at volume, the unit of volume is a cubic centimeter. So it's a centimeter with a 3 next to it.